Hello, this is Hertao. Thank you very much for always watching my tune of the day. Starting in January 2026, I will be launching a YouTube membership. In addition to the regular tune of the day videos, as part of the membership I will be releasing 2 new videos every month, in which my AI avatar analyzes and explains recordings by great musicians, as well as demonstrates ornamentation and playing techniques for Irish flute and tin whistle. For the very first release, I'll be presenting a tutorial on The Bucks of Oranmore from Matt Molloy's legendary first album. Let's take a quick look. Today's performance comes from the 1976 album by the flute legend Matt Molloy. Today's lesson has 2 main points: the D and E crans, the condensed roll on A and F sharp, If you'd like to practice Irish flute and tin whistle together with videos like this, I'd be delighted for you to join the membership. Also, on Patreon, I offer bonus downloadable materials such as sheet music and audio files for practicing these videos, so please be sure to check that out as well.